Are you thinking about building your own fitness or personal training app? If yes, we at iTechnolabs would walk you through what a complete platform looks like. Because this isn't just one fitness app, it's three connected experiences: one for your customers, one for your trainers, and one for you as the admin, all working together. So let's start with the customer app. Your customers get onboarded fast. They pick a language, verify their email with a secure OTP, and set up their profile in under a minute. From there, they tell the app what they're chasing: fat loss, muscle gain, pain management, sports performance, body transformation. They can set a target weight, a timeline, and their current fitness level, so the whole experience personalizes around them right from the start. Before every workout, they have to check in. They log their energy level and flag any discomfort, where it is and how bad it feels. This allows the trainers to see this instantly and adjust the session to match how the customer is actually feeling that day. Your customers also track their nutrition in real detail: carbohydrates, protein, fats, fiber, key micronutrients, not just calories. So they see exactly how their food fits their goals. They can message their trainer directly inside the app, ask questions, share updates, and stay connected without switching platforms. And privacy policies and platform info live right inside the app too, so they always know where they stand. Now let's take a look at the trainer panel and see what your trainers get. They log in with their registered email and password, with a password recovery option if they ever get locked out. Once they're in, they land on their dashboard. The panel supports two languages and both light and dark mode, so they can set it up the way they like to work. Under My Clients, your trainers search and manage every client they train. They see name, email, active status when the client joined. Open a client profile and they get the full picture: workouts completed, calories burned, streaks, personal details, body metrics, target weight, active goals. They monitor client nutrition by date too: calories, meals, macros, micros, every meal broken down clearly. Your trainers pull from a video library of exercise demonstrations, complete with details and target body parts, and use them to build custom workouts, setting duration, difficulty, intensity, goals, and target areas for each client. And they chat with clients directly and send notifications to keep them engaged and on track. Now, here's where you come in using the admin panel. You log in and land on a dashboard that gives you the full picture immediately: members, premium members, workouts, key activity, without digging through every section one by one. You manage every registered member from one place. You can search trainers by name or email and pull up their details instantly. And your premium members get their own dedicated view. So monitoring paying subscribers is simple. You control the entire exercise video library, details, thumbnails, categories, uploads, edits, all from one place, keeping everything organized and current. You manage the metadata too, things like target body parts and other library categories, so your trainers can always find the right exercises fast. You can build new workouts yourself, select exercise videos, set duration, intensity, goals, and target body parts, and update existing workouts whenever you need to. You create content through the feed section and send push notifications straight to your members, keeping engagement high across the whole platform. And you control the app settings, version updates, terms and conditions, privacy policy, all from one centralized place. That's the full fitness app development solution that we offer. Your customers get a personalized fitness journey, your trainers get everything they need to coach well, and you get complete control over the entire operation. If you're looking to build your own fitness or personal training platform like this, we can customize the entire solution around your business model and your customer journey. We also have a white label fitness app that has all the basic to advanced features that you can customize as per your requirements and get started within 2 weeks. So let's connect and build your fitness app together.